This is the entire program for SurfCDM. It has a pass URL class in which it has three methods: handle start tag, handle end tag, handle data, and one more method called init method. And there is a common words function to find the common words used in the website, and main function. The main function passes the URL from main to the common words function, and it is using a for loop. We are printing it on the next line. The execution of the code goes this way, and these are the most commonly used 25 words in the CDM website, and these are the numbers that refers to number of times that word has been used in the CDM website. Now moving on to the first question, show how you extended HTML parser. This code is an extended version of HTML parser class where HTML.parser module in Python is being used. It defines a subclass called parse URL that inherits from HTML parser and overrides some of its methods to extract the text data inside the paragraph tag of a given web page. Moving on to the second question, show which methods you overrode. In subclass parse underscore URL of the HTML parser class, I have overridden the following methods. Init self. This method is used to initialize the parser. In this method, we initialize two instance variables, self.text and self.value. And handle underscore start tag. In this method is called to handle the start tag of an element. In this method, you check if the tag is a paragraph tag T. If it is, you set the value to true. And handle underscore end tag. This method is called to handle the end tag of an element. In this method, you check if the tag is a paragraph tag. If it is a paragraph tag, and setting the value to false. Handle underscore data. This method is called to process arbitrary data. In this method, we append the data to self.text if self.value is true. These methods are part of HTML parser's interface for subclassing and are meant to be overridden in the subclass. By overriding these methods, we can customize the behavior of the parser to suit our needs. Moving on to the third question, show how you restricted your search to web pages at CDM. This code did not specifically restrict the search to web pages at CDM, but the function common underscore words takes a URL as an argument, and finds the most common words in the web page at that URL. CDM underscore URL is passed with cdm.default.edu URL. I am effectively restricting my search by hard-coding the web page URL like cdm.default.edu. However, this will only analyze the specific web pages at that URL, and other web pages will not be redirected to the CDM web